she has to have. Yeah.
Come on, Miss Mimi.
Got a picture of him wearing a sombrero. Are you done?
No.
That's not the busiest phone.
No.
Ching
No.
ching. You're welcome, ching ching.
I'm just so sorry to hear that you're losing weight. Yes, we gotta fatten you up.
Today, Friday morning, you know, we were going to Twin Star. Did I tell you? I can't remember that he threw up.
It's every time he senses it. No, he didn't seem too stressed out to me. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Bring your people. I don't know what it is about these little people. Kyle loved to carry him around his fist too. It's somehow, it's like soothing. Look, she's struggling to get over that threshold.
Get her to clap.
Millie. She is clapping. She's got people. She's got little people.
Where'd you go?
Mama. Grace. Let it go.
Hey, he's doing a service.
I don't think there's anything left.
You don't think what?
There's anything left for him to
No.
bag them up.
Somebody's
Oh,
tired.
she didn't kiss. Oh. Those people taste good?
That was an uh-oh. You left your binky behind.
Hey, can you do the raspberries? Very good, thank
Yes, will you
you.
kiss, Mom, or do a kiss?
Hey, Millie, can you give him a kiss?
Millie. Millie.
See, people's heads taste
Can't
so
do anything
good.
if you're eating little people.
They're just so good. They're so yummy. They're just a bite size.
Millie. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, there it is. It's back.
Look at Ray. She's still trying to get Edna to come down.
Yeah.
Hey, Milsey.
He's bored.
Hey, Milsey. Yay, people. Yay, people. Oh, did you see that? She took a step.
How big is Millie? Boom.
Look, she's good. Do you see what she's doing? Do you have much strength in her face?
Scooching across the floor.
Oh,
Yeah.
neat.
That bite still looks pretty big. Bigger than it's Dog. Doggy.
Doggy?
Nah, Racy, that's a binky. You don't need a binky.
Yes.
He did have DIN and ER.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Before he came.
All right, dessert. What do you want? Do you want some ice cream and brownie? Or do you want a cupcake
I
and
have a
some ice
brownie
cream?
because I got lots of cupcakes at home, and you're keeping the ones that I brought.
I'm gonna have a cupcake right now. Rob, what would you want?
You know, brownie with some ice cream on it sounds pretty
Sounds
good.
good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
No ice cream for you?
What kind of ice cream? The ice cream
Like
I
your
bought?
ice cream.
Gotcha. No, I don't need it. Thank you, though. They make my brownie small, please.
Okay.
You placing your order, Millie?
Do you need to go outside, Race?
Are we watching her?
Looks-
Are we getting the video already?
On her own.
I saw that fancy
Boom.
move. Did you see her
She's
swing
back.
that leg
I didn't
around?
see it.
That was really cool little move. Oh, here's the rest of the little people. Oh.